Hey guys, what's up? I'm trying a new format here where I don't necessarily script everything. I just want to be able to show off some of the equipment. I'm really big on equipment rescues and preventing stuff from going to the landfill that has interesting qualities. For example, this iBook G4 was destined for the trash. So in these videos, I'm going to try to just show them off a little bit. Basically, well, a quick cleaning, show you what it's about. Not going to go too much in depth. And from these, I'll perhaps go into more in-depth videos where I do a proper restoration. But in order to, I've just got so much equipment, I can't possibly show it all off. So I wanted to try out this format where yeah, I show you the different pieces of hardware, and this will allow me to get out videos a lot quicker and still get the same videos out with more time put in where I do full restorations and cleanings. So yeah, so this iBook G4, it does power up. The charge light, oddly enough, does eventually seem to go orange, so I don't know whether the battery's charging or not. There's the bezel on the LCD screen. I don't know if you saw from the video there. It's not quite sitting right, so that has to be reclipped. The LCD has got some non-working CFL. Something's going on with the CFL in it. So the screen is way dimmer. Like, it's at full brightness, and after it runs for a few minutes, it's fairly readable, but it's kind of dim aside from that. The other problem that I had, as you can see there, is the trackpad is totally messed up. The trackpad doesn't work at all. Well, not at all. It kind of does what it wants and not what I want it to do. So the trackpad is something that definitely needs to be addressed. So this is a machine I do intend to restore at some point. Don't know when that'll be, but yeah, it's definitely one. I think it's in good enough shape that it's worth repairing and restoring. So please comment below and let me know if this is something you want to see in the near future, or but yeah, I eventually plan to see it on this channel. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to see more videos. I'm hoping, like I said, to get these out much more quickly, just to get little show-off videos and some minor commentary with them. And we'll see how that goes. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.